Welcome. If you're having trouble with WhatsApp web not responding on your PC, don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to fix it quickly with a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, if WhatsApp web isn't responding, the quickest fix is to close your browser and ensure you open it. Sometimes a fresh start is all it needs to get things working again. If that doesn't do the trick, don't worry. We've got more solutions. Sometimes, a device restart too can help resolve connectivity issues. Here's how to do it. 1. Press the Windows icon on your keyboard, then click on the power icon. 2. Select Shutdown from the options and wait for 30 seconds. 3. After waiting, turn your device back on by pressing the power button. Now that we've covered restarting your device, let's try connecting to a different network. This can help if your current Wi-Fi is unstable. Here's how to switch networks. 1. Go to the Notifications area on your PC and click on the Memorichance. 2. Choose a different network from the list to see if that helps. If switching networks doesn't work, it's time to check your internet connection. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection can cause WhatsApp web to stop responding. To check your connection, 1. Click on this network icon in the Notifications area. 2. Make sure your network is connected and running properly. Lastly, you can try the clearing your browser cache. Over time, cached files can slow down or interfere with your browser's performance. To do this, 1. Click on the 3 dots or menu icon at the top of your browser. 2. Select Delete Browsing Data from the menu. 3. Make sure that Cached Images and Files is checked, then click Delete Data. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any issues with WhatsApp web not responding on your PC. If these steps worked for you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.